Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I come with a powerful Puma crash spike catching strategy for you guys, which you guys can use to catch multiple spike with a sniper entry. Okay, you know what I mean by sniper entry? It means that you are catching a spike with no drawdown. Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification and type posting strategy. You guys will be aware. Okay, so with that being said, I want us to first delete all the indicator up, then we are going to be adding it up one after the other. Okay, so you can see now that I have a clean chart. So let's begin with our video. Okay, so this is for the beginner that don't understand how to add indicator up. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to add everything up one after the other, and I want you guys to watch this video to the end so you won't miss any explanation about our strategy. Okay, so let's get into our indicator windows, and the first thing we want to do is just click on the F5 icon at the top, which you can see right here. So you click on the F5 icon and you are going to be here on your indicators. Okay, so now to add this indicator up, you click on the main window plus. After clicking on the main window plus, you search for Ichimoku, which is right here, and click on it. Now for the properties of the Ichimoku, the technician is 8, the technician is 8 also, the span B is 50. We didn't apply to our price field. Okay, so now we only need the kitchen color, which I'm going to be using the green color, and I would advise you to set everything up as I do, so you won't have any confusion about the strategy. Okay, so click on done when you add the Chimoku up, and it's going to be in your main chart. Now we are going to add another indicator up, so go back to our indicator windows as well. We search for our window and we click on it. Now the next indicator that we're going to be adding is the stochastic oscillator, so click on it. Now this is the property for the stochastic oscillator. Now the K period is 3, the D period is 3, the snowing is 3 also, the price is low and high, method is simple, and the levels we need the 1585 levels and the 25 and 75 levels. Okay, so the 15 and the probably 25 levels are the buy, and the 75 and 85 levels are the sell. Okay, so click on done where it says everything up at this eye chart is going to look like. Okay, so now after setting this up, then we are going to add our next indicator up. Now when we add the stochastic oscillator up, it's going to be now indicator window 1. So all the indicator that we are going to be adding is going to be now indicator window 1. Now click on the indicator window 1 plus search for your and the next indicator we're going to be adding is the Ichimoku as well. So click search for Ichimoku and click on it. Now just set it up as the main chart settings. Okay, so just add the Ichimoku up, click on it, then add it up exactly as it is, then click on done, and it's going to be in the chart. Okay, so now we are going to add the last but not the least indicator. So click on the F icon, search for your click on the indicator in the 1 plus and search for your moving average. Now this is moving average right here, click on it, and this is the properties. Period is 2, shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close, and I'm using the red color, so set it up as I do. Okay, so click on done when you add everything up, and this eye chart is going to look like. Okay, so this eye chart is going to look like. Now how do you make use of this strategy? Okay, how do you make use of the strategy? We are going to be talking about that in the now. Okay, we are going to be talking about that now. Now before we dive into that, I want you guys to know that we do have a mentorship video, and we have a mentorship video which you guys can get at an affordable price, and we also have a premium course as well, which you guys can also get as a discount and at a affordable price. Okay, we also have account management service, which means also to manage your account, no matter how small or big that your account is. We can also help you with that. So just contact the number seen at the screen. It's a WhatsApp number. We expect to you as soon as possible. Okay, so for the premium course as well, going to teach you everything you need to know about our strategy, and the mentorship course is going to start from the beginning for you. Every aspect of our strategy is going to teach you guys that. Okay, so with that being said, just contact us right now. Okay, now let's begin with our strategy. Okay, so now how do we make use of the strategy? Now the strategy is very simple and straightforward strategy. All you need to do is just to follow the step of the strategy, then you are good. Okay, so now I'll start from where the market is currently are. Now I'm starting from where the market is currently are. Now the first thing you want to do before you take any trade with this strategy right here is that, now remember with this strategy right here, I will explain in another video how you guys can catch or you can scalp with the strategy another video, but this video is for the spike's sake. Okay, so now how do you strategy to catch spike? Now to catch spike with this strategy is very simple. Now this is what you need to do before catch spike with this strategy right here. Now our first condition right here is that we wait for the Ichimoku line and the moving average to come to the 15 levels and the 25 levels. When it gets to the 15 and the 25 levels, the next thing we're expecting is that we have to pay attention to the moving average line. Okay, the moving average line is what gives us the confirmation for an entry, is what gives us the sniper entry. Now, how do we make use of this moving average? Now, this is what we need to do. Now, we wait for a spike to occur. When spike occurs, definitely the moving average is going to move above the Ichimoku. It's definitely going to move above the Ichimoku if the spike happens. Okay, so now sometimes the market, the Ichimoku and the moving average line might go to the 15 levels and still continue to be counting candles but not spike. So that's why we need to wait for one spike to happen. Now the spike must break above the spike must make the spike must make the moving average break above the Ichimoku. When it break above the Ichimoku, that is it. That is our confirmation for an entry. Okay, so now immediately the spike happens, it's going to break right here above it. Moving because it break above the Ichimoku, and also the price will break above the Ichimoku as well. When it break above the Ichimoku, and the next thing we are expecting is we want to wait for the moving average right here to come and touch the Ichimoku. Okay, now the touches is what gives us an entry. We don't judge right here. We don't judge this Ichimoku right here. What we judge the Ichimoku for is for clean direction. What gives us a sniper entry is the moving average. We wait for the moving average to touch the Ichimoku line. Now in the one, wait for it to touch the Ichimoku line. When touch the Ichimoku line, it's definitely going to give you a spike. Okay, now it can do my scan even below the. You can see right here, if you count this candle right here, it's moving up for candles when it's break. Okay, so before the spike happens, so we don't count this Ichimoku line right here. We have a sniper entries. We have to go for a sniper entries, which means that we want to wait for the moving average right here and indicator window one to touch the Ichimoku. When you touch the Ichimoku, that is when we want to look for. That is going to enter for your buy. You don't have to worry about the candle moving below the Ichimoku in our main chart, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so let me give you guys another confirmation and example right here. Now sometimes the market might be a little bit tricky right here. Now I'm going to explain that to you guys right now. Now we have our first confirmation right here. When we go to 15 levels, we can see we have a spike broken above, making the moving average break above the Ichimoku. In our main chart as well, we also see a spike broken above the Ichimoku. Now what can you see right here? All the touches right here are both within the Ichimoku. That's why sometimes the Ichimoku might give you guys a sniper entries, and the moving average might be doing something rashy. Okay, but all you have to do is to pay attention. Now what give you guys a hedge, what give you guys a confirmation, and what give you guys a chance to be winning more in this strategy right here is that now whenever you see that the price is making use of the moving average, you go with the moving average, and whenever you see the price making use of the Ichimoku in our main window, you go for the Ichimoku. Why did I say that? Now in right here we can see that the price was making use of the indicator in the one moving average. When it touched its spike. Okay, now right here we can see that the price is making use of the Ichimoku in our main chart. Okay, now what make you guys know that this is what the chart want to go for, this is what the price want to go for, is that now when the first spike happens, when the second spike is coming, when it come and touch the Ichimoku line and give you a spike, then you know that the spike is making the price is making use of the Ichimoku. But when the candle count, when the price is making use of the moving average, then you'll be seeing it when you touch the Ichimoku in our main. Now indicator window one, give you guys a spike. Okay, so that's what's giving confirmation that if the price is making use of the moving average or is making use of the Ichimoku in the main chart. That's what you need to see. That's what gives you guys an edge. Okay, so as simple as that, guys, and this strategy works on all the boom and crash indices. Okay, so I hope you guys find it video helpful. If you find it video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on post notification, and type strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.